Bright, creamy, and velvety vodka sauce infused perfectly with penne pasta and ground beef. Learn how to make a sumptuous penne alla vodka with ground beef with this video, brought to you by recipes.net. In a large pot, add the olive oil and red onions, then saute until translucent. Add in the ground beef and saute until the meat is cooked through. Then, add the tomatoes and saute briefly. Pour in the vodka, deglaze and reduce briefly. Then, increase the heat and let the meat sauce simmer until it reduces by half. Now add in the heavy cream and parmesan cheese, then stir to combine. Add the penne pasta and stir well. Season with salt and ground black pepper to taste, then add in the chili flakes. Adjust accordingly. After 3 minutes, remove from the heat, garnish with parmesan cheese and parsley, then serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.